Can a home inspection be done in the snow or rain? First, let's talk about a home inspection in snow and freezing weather. Buying a home doesn't always happen during warm and sunny days. Real estate transactions may slow down in the cold winter months, but homes are still bought and sold. The most evident disadvantage of getting a home inspection during the cold winter is that the home inspector will find it difficult to inspect the roof surface if it is covered with snow or ice, and foundation issues can be hard to locate. Is it still a good idea to get a home inspection when it is snowing and freezing? The answer is yes. During the winter, a home inspection has its obvious challenges and vary from summer inspections, but getting a home inspection before purchasing the property is still recommended. In fact, a home inspection done on snowy days has its own set of advantages. It makes it easier to determine if the heating system is operating properly, as thermal imagery can generally do a better job of locating areas where insulation is missing than on warm days. Also, ice dams can help identify areas of poor attic ventilation. What about a home inspection in the rain? It is absolutely fine and even favorable to get a home inspection during rainy days. The home inspector will easily spot issues like flooding yards, clogged gutters, roof leaks, and other problems that may not be as visible in the absence of rain. The bottom line is, a home inspection should be done before purchasing the home. A professional home inspector can perform a complete inspection at any time of the year, rain, shine, or snow.